Hello dear traders, my name is Tim, and these are the main trading ideas for the current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with franc and the dollar. The pair is trading at 0.9020. Swiss inflation data put pressure on the franc. Thus, the Swiss Federal Statistical Office reported that the consumer price index rose by 1% in annual terms, although economists expected consumer price inflation to grow at a faster rate, by 1.3%, after rising by 1.2% in February. It is worth noting that earlier, the Swiss National Bank became the first regulator among central banks of developed countries to reduce the interest rate by 25 basis points to 1.5%. With inflation in the region remaining well below target, there is the possibility of additional monetary easing later this year, which will continue to weigh on the franc. Analysts recommend holding long positions against the Swiss currency. Next, Australian currency against the dollar. The pair is trading at 0.6570. Yesterday, March business activity data was published. The services sector index rose from 53.1 points to 54.4 points and exceeded analysts' expectations of 53.5 points, while the composite index recovered from 52.1 points to 53.3 points, with a forecast of 53.4 points. Rising business activity could push Reserve Bank of Australia officials to keep interest rates high. February construction market data was mixed, with total building permits down 1.9%, but single-family home permits up 10.7%. With that said, the pair could end the current session in positive territory. And finally, pound against dollar. The pair is trading at 1.2625. Yesterday, March data on business activity was published. The index in the services sector decreased from 53.8 points to 53.1 points, with the forecast of 53.4 points. Analysts note an increase in consumer activity on the part of households, despite still high inflation. Market participants expect that the British economy remained in recession in the first quarter of this year, which may persuade the Bank of England to ease monetary policy at one of its upcoming meetings. Today, pressure on the pound may come from a potential strengthening of the dollar after the release of data on the American labor market. So these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.